Things you must know before starting a home business. Starting your home business is an exciting new venture that millions of people now share in. You want to join them and are anxious, but there are certain things you must know and need before you do so. It would surely be beneficial to have a separate and comfortable workspace for your office. Try to put aside an area closed off from the rest of the house, even if only a partition or divider. If you spend hours at a time sitting at your computer, you may want to invest in a comfortable chair and a mouse that won't stress out your wrist. If you can get a separate phone line, and a good modem is a must, customers are apt to respond better to the phone being answered professionally by you or a business like voicemail. The reason for a second phone line is simple, so that you can have a separate line for online access. If at all possible, be sure that you have a high-speed DSL or cable modem. A separate bank account is not required by law for tax purposes, but it would be a lot easier to deal with if you did not mix your personal money with your business money. Contact your local government to find out if you need a license, and this varies by jurisdiction. It's not necessary to contact the IRS for a tax ID number if you plan on doing business as a self-proprietor. You can use your social security number. If you want, get a fax, but it is not absolutely necessary. Faxes are becoming obsolete. Now, before considering a work-at-home business, you need to take an objective look at your work history and work ethic. Many people confuse the concept of work from home with staying at home and doing nothing all day. The opportunities available are called work-at-home business because they require work. Many people start looking into job opportunities for which they can stay home and still make money, without considering they lack the discipline of getting to work on time, or a history of leaving early. There are many online resources that offer minimal work for maximum pay, but rarely do these opportunities exist in anything other than the online advertisements seeking donations for someone else's vacation fund. It requires a high level of self-motivation to get up and go to work, especially when there is no one holding you accountable. Self-discipline, drive, determination, and a willingness to want to succeed is a must if you want to thrive with an online business. Those who see working at home as an opportunity to sit around and do very little all day, should consider working for someone else. On the other hand, a person who wants to supplement their income, who wants to eventually become his own boss by working from home, who wants to create wealth working online, is a self-motivator who has no need for supervision. If you are the one who can make all their own decisions in regards to the company with which you work with, you would be an excellent candidate for owning your own work-at-home business. That said, to go anywhere with your home-based business, you need to have a concept of what you want your business to be about. These concepts hold true for nearly any industry. That is why it is important to choose your business idea with growth and expansion in mind. To continue to develop and grow and offer all of the popular products and services, you must get affiliated with a company that can cover the things that you don't have. To get a few general ideas of the industry you wish to be a part of, look online for the top home business ideas. Pick an industry, then begin doing research on particular products or services you can offer.